Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then open the App Store. Make sure your device OS and region match the VPN app requirements. This avoids blocked downloads. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and verify two-factor authentication if prompted. You should also decide whether you want a paid plan, free version, or trial, because that choice affects permissions, length of service, and privacy guarantees. Now search for the VPN name, or VPN, to view options and ratings before tapping Install. You proceed to install and configure the app itself. Tap Install, authenticate with Face or Touch ID, then open the app immediately. Many VPNs prompt to add a VPN configuration profile. Allow it so the system can route traffic. Grant background refresh and notification permissions if you want continuous protection and connection alerts. Once installed, create or sign into the VPN account. Choose protocol or server region when asked. Make sure to review in-app purchase options and the privacy policy before continuing. You finish by connecting and verifying the tunnel. Select a server region, press Connect, and watch for the VPN status icon in the status bar or settings. This indicates active routing. Then verify by loading a web page or using an IP check to confirm your visible IP and location changed. If connection fails, make sure the app has VPN permission, toggle airplane mode, restart the device, and reinstall if needed. If problems persist, contact the VPN provider's support with logs and device details for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.